Alright, so we here, 110th and Lennox, aka Malcolm X. Couple riders got here. Everybody's starting to get up. Meet at 4:30 and we riding out at 5:15, so everybody's gonna come fashionably late. What's good, man?
What's up, man? My name is Nestor. We got the high C, Sunday high C, the IG. I don't even know the IG.
You don't even know the IG.
J-Dot Bands.
J-Dot Bands?
J-Dot Bands.
J-Dot Bands. Alright, what's goody, what's goody? Alright.
What's up, bro?
Got a Sunday too? What you got? What you got?
That's not my bike. I had a short notice.
Yeah?
That's the good GoPro. We've been up since 10:30. This the Patterson way right here. No lens. No lens, no nothing, no nothing. It's the camera.
That one been through it. Yo, we got Sherman right here representing Boston in the place.
That's right.
What? Got the Boston bike too. What?
Busting out some stickers right here.
Got the stickers right here.
There you go.
Upside down. Bonk. Oh, I got some more.
Good looks.
Cheer. What you got? YouTube channel, Instagram? What you got?
It's all about the Instagram. So it's Sherbet Glass Art.
Yeah.
Just gotta spell it right.
Let's see. We gotta get some light on that. You know the GoPro can't see nothing. Look, click down here. Yeah, there it is. We got DBlocks representing right here, about to do the ride out. Had to come represent. You already know. Whenever we link up, he hops on my bike. What's good, man?
I like this. I like this.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so DBlocks is here. About to get ready. Do this ride out. And about to go in a second. Yo, you hit my arm, bro. Patterson in the house.
Why these kids can't do this?
No bunny hop action?
They ain't got that.
So my dude DBlocks got us all together to take this ride out all the way downtown to check out the screening of The Engine Inside. It's a screening for a documentary that tells the story of 6 everyday people from all over the globe who reveal the unique power of the bicycle to change lives and build a better world. DBlocks is featured as one of those 6 riders because of his humongous, gigantic impact on the cycling community with the whole bike life movement and all of that. We did a little tour of Harlem before we went straight downtown and had a good time. It was a nice clique of riders just getting busy, doing wheelies, having fun in the street. We were all heading down to White Street to the Tribeca Synagogue to check out this film. And that's a nice little ride there. It's a nice little ride. We had to go way down past Canal Street to get to this spot. So it was a nice ride that we did. Plus, I also rode in from Queens before I even got there. I was all the way out by Flushing Meadow Park and rode my bike all the way in to get this ride in. So it was a nice ride for me that day, definitely. Had a good conversation with my dude Sherbert on the way down. He came all the way from Boston, drove all the way from Boston for this ride out, so that's what's up. Big shout out to him. I can't wait to go back to Boston to check out the skate parks, the new pump track, and get some riding out and up there. We just started taking all kind of ways. We went down 86th Street, headed down Park Avenue after that. Park Avenue was fun. Had a good time down there. we headed back across and went back to 5th Avenue, Central Park. Now this right here, this was fun. Alright, so we on 7th Avenue heading to Times Square. You already know, can't do some bike video in the city without going to Times Square. So we had to get that in, of course. So we reached the legendary Union Square. Took a quick little break before we headed the rest of the way downtown. But you know you gotta stop at Union Square, get a little riding in. I was doing a little gut lever action, haven't done that in a long time. And it was cool because I had the different camera to get that crazy, crazy angle of the shot. So that was pretty cool.
Look at that other side for you.
Uh-oh. Yeah. What's that, chain cover?
Yeah, it's same chain.
Oh, snap. What?
The little, people say Lego caps.
Yeah, they look like Lego caps, right?
A lot of people say that. That's what they say across town, like in Cali.
Uh-huh. All right, so it's time to head the rest of the way down Broadway. So I got my camera on my chest now. About to go down there and have some fun. Get some manuals in, maybe a couple of bunny hops, you know. Been riding all day with the camera on my handlebars, so it was nice to just be able to get up, stand up, and do some manuals and stuff, and play around on the bike. About to valley park my bike. Get some valley parking action. Thank you. I don't like leaving my bike like that, but it is what it is. Now you're about to go in.
There is a film.
About to go in.
You're now entering a different zone.
All right, all right.
How you doing?
Good,
Are you here
good.
for a good time
Yes,
tonight?
sir.
Yeah.
All right.
Bikes?
Celebrating bikes, you already know. So we're about to go inside and we're about to check out the film. It's gonna be a good time. We got bike valets in New York.
I wish you had like the Android phones.
Scary.
Like,
I'm old school. Leaving my bike. This is the furthest away I want to be from my bike ever. This is new territory for me. Alright, so we're walking in to the theater. You gonna check it out? Whoa. Hey. Okay. representing. We got the squad right here. Got the squad right here representing. So yeah, this is jump off right here. This is cool. I've never been in this spot before. The architecture is crazy in here. I see they got the projector over there on the truss. Why am I interested in that? Because that's what I do. I set the projectors on truss, so that's why I noticed that. But yeah, so we're gonna check the movie out, and after that, I'm gonna get back on the road and head back to the crib. And this is a celebration of bikes, celebration of bike life, celebration of DBlocks, the whole movement. And yeah, just had a good time today. Name of the movie, The Engine Inside. The Engine Inside. So we're gonna check that out. All right, so I had to leave early, unfortunately. It's getting late. It's not past my bedtime, but I got a little bit of a ride getting back to the car. Valet bike action. Let's see, this one has to come up. Yeah, this is like, bring that down and then that way. Oh, there it is. And then this part here. Free at last. Free at last. So valet parking, shout out to Bicycle Film Festival. You know, taking the cue from overseas, how they get down over there, right? Nah, but this was great. Unfortunately, I couldn't stay, but I'm definitely gonna watch it. I'm probably sure it's gonna be online sooner or later. Oh, we got the bamboo bike out here too. This is the bamboo bike, right there.
Oh, did they show it off?
They just showed it off in there. Yep. All right, so I'm gonna ride home now, ride to the car, and then go home, and that's it.